Have you ever heard of the Big Crunch? It's a fascinating theory that scientists are exploring about the fate of the universe. Imagine our universe is like a giant balloon inflating, constantly expanding since it was formed. Eventually, its mass would get too great and the forces of gravity would stop the expansion and actually reverse it. If that happens, our universe would actually begin shrinking. As it shrinks, the universe will become denser and hotter until, in its final moments, it's just one large fireball with a temperature of infinity. After that, space and time would cease to exist. But don't worry, scientists that support the Big Crunch theory don't believe it will happen for billions of years. So we've got plenty of time to get used to the idea of our world collapsing in a fiery inferno. Meanwhile, some scientists are exploring an alternative theory about the fate of our universe, known as the Big Rip. This theory suggests that as our universe is expanding at an ever-increasing rate, eventually this expansion will become so fast that it tears apart stars and galaxies and even the atoms and fundamental particles that make up the entire universe. This idea is based on the concept of dark energy, mysterious forces that work in the opposite way to gravity by pushing objects apart. These anti-gravity forces are responsible for the expansion of the universe and stretching the fabric of time itself. As this expansion becomes increasingly violent, not only would the Earth be torn apart, but even the particles that make up everything we know would completely disintegrate. Like the Big Crunch, the Big Rip is just a theory, and an extreme one at that. Scientists and researchers are still discovering new things every day about our universe, how it formed, and how it may end. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Learning with Katy for even more fun and educational content. See you in our next video.